How to fix Zangi not working on Wi-Fi. Having trouble with the Zangi when you are connected to the Wi-Fi? Let's walk through some simple troubleshooting steps. First, the most basic check. Is your Wi-Fi actually working for anything else? Try loading the web page or another app. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, that could be the issue right here. Okay, if your Wi-Fi seems fine, try closing the Zangi app completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's fully closed from your recent app list. For that, simply tap the three lines on your phone and just clear it out. And then open the Zangi again. Does that trick work? Still not working? Sometimes your device just needs a refresh. Try restarting your phone on the tablet entirely. Turn it off, wait a few seconds and switch it back on. Once it's powered up, open the Zangi and see if it connects on the Wi-Fi now. Another common fix is making sure the app is up to date. For that, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, tap on it, then search for the Zangi. And here you can see my Zangi in the results and it says open, so that means I am using the latest version. And if you are using an older version, you will see an option for the update in the place of open right now. And if update button is available there, install the latest version. Developers often release the updates to fix bugs, including the connection problem. If none of that works, it might be something with your Wi-Fi network itself. Can you try connecting to the different Wi-Fi network, maybe your friends or the public one, just to see if the Zangi works there? Or if it's your home network, sometimes simply restarting your Wi-Fi router can resolve the connectivity issue. Have you tried all of these steps? Let me know which one helped you. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.